Hi, my name is Dominic Spooner. I'm the CEO and founder of Volta. Volta is a circular-focused battery manufacturer. Volta was started because I noticed that there was only around 5% of lithium batteries being recycled worldwide. Batteries need to be harnessed throughout the initial life, allow for repair and disassembly for refurbishment and also single component recycling. And that's Volta's offering. We design, manufacture everything that we possibly can locally. So that includes the components that go into the battery, come from local suppliers, and a lot of their supply is also local. So we think that we can grow the industry and expose them to that renewable transition like sheet metal, plastics, circuit boards, cables. We can do a lot of that here and build capability through our supply chain, and then they can begin to supply to other parts of the world as well. So my interpretation of the Future Made in Australia policy is that it's not just about making things and objects here, it's also about how we can upskill. So the people that we employ now know more about batteries than they did before they worked here. What that means is when other people come to headhunt them and they move on to other roles, is that they'll have the skills to be able to train other people, which builds out the ecosystem of capability. So that's what I think about when I think of that Future Made in Australia. Not just making things, but also making skills.